Hey, it's Nick again. And like a lot of you out there, we've been working from home recently and just started homeschooling. You might have seen in a couple of our other videos, what we've wanted to do is turn one of our guest bedrooms in our house into an office and a classroom. So the first thing we did was, this room was just full of stuff. You couldn't even walk in here. So I started selling it on Facebook Marketplace. And you can download my spreadsheet template and one of my other videos explain how to use it. And the second thing I did was built a 8-foot long desk. So one of us can sit here and our son can sit right next to us doing his online classes. So that's where work and office and school work can take place. So then the next thing, we still wanted to use his room as a guest room where someone could sleep in the rare occasion that somebody actually does visit. So the next thing we did was this. We made a Murphy bed. So on this video, I'm gonna, not super detailed, but I'm gonna give you a little quick view about how we made this bed. So this bed isn't made from scratch. It is a kit that we bought off of Amazon called Easy DIY Murphy Bed. And they send you this box, which has all the metal components in it, and then they give you 3 sets of instructions. So the first one is all the wood that you need and all the dimensions, and then how to cut each sheet. So we started out with this, so we made a few minor changes. So for example, their bed would have ended at the top shelf there, but we've extended our 2 side pieces to go almost all the way to the ceiling. And this whole thing isn't done yet, so this is just the bed. We're going to put built-ins on either side, and there'll eventually be more trim going around the top, which we'll show later. But for now, I'll show you how we made the main part of the Murphy bed itself. We're making our kicker panel for the bed. Keep gluing up. Keep the glue on here. It's all the way down. You're making a mess of it. All right, there you go. There you go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Make sure you measure out and drill all your holes from the handles. So they're going to be covered up by those sheets. So they're going to be on the other side. So you got to drill the holes from this side and then attach them from that side. Screws going from that side. And those hard ones are going to be a 2-person job because that's too hard for me to reach underneath. Can't hold it up and screw it in at the same time. 4 handles, just handles, buy separately at Lowe's or Home Depot. here's the bed in its upright position. So there is the bed all down. So I might put some lights or something, along the bottom there. Maybe put a phone charger, a USB plug or something in there. That'd be kind of cool. Like at a hotel or something. So you can see the legs. So those come from the kit. I might add a bar that connects both the legs so you don't have to flip them individually. But there it is.